Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxanne and today I have a fun, friendly, sexy, beginners-friendly tutorial for you to try in the comfort of your own home. So in this tutorial, we're going to be combining a whole bunch of twerk moves that I've taught in my previous tutorials into a routine so we can put your hard work into good use. So if you've watched my tutorials already, then you already have a head start. If you haven't, you better head back. I'm going to link all the moves that I've taught in the description below, just in case you need like an extra bit of tutorial, because this one I'm just going to teach you the combo as it is, and it's really short and just fun. And yeah, I'm really excited to teach you this. I can't wait to get into it. So let's just start right now. We're going to start. So let's turn that thing around and get into it. We're going to start with a booty bounce, standing up, slight bend in the knees, hands are right here, and we're going for 4 counts, down 8 times. We're going 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to keep bouncing down, but hands are going to go up on 5, 6, 7, 8. Hands are touching together, and that's it. So the first 8 counts, we booty bounce. First 4 counts, hands are down. Second 4 counts, hands are up. Let's run that again. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands up. 5, 6, 7, 8. To here, we're going into our pancake flippers. We're going side to side to the right first. Hands are also going to the right. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. So right, left, to end the intro on the hands coming down on a 5, 6, 7, 8. As the hands come down, I'm taking my booty from the left, bring it into the middle, straightening my legs to jiggle. Yes, 4 counts jiggle. Let's go again from the top. We have 5, 6, 7, 8. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands up. 5, 6, 7, 8 to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go down. 6, 7, 8. Then we get into the chorus. The beat is popping. We are down like this. We are going to get into our poppy tail very fast, very small. And as we do that, we're going to go down. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 to go 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm doing 2 bounces on each side. I'm going right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. Yes, let's go again for the jiggle. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4. My hands are coming from here, so they went round. 5, 6, 7, 8. They're going down for 1, 2, 3, 4. As I bend, you jiggle. 1, 2, 3, 4 to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Lovely. Then we go into our clacking. Knees are going in and out. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4. To end this section on bouncing down and tapping our heels, we're going left first. 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Let's go again. So we did the jiggle. We did 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to go in. 2, 3, 4 to bounce. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lovely. Third and final part, we're ending it nice and strong and sexy. We're going to step in with the left or right, actually doesn't matter. I'm going to do the left leg. We're going to step in and go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to look over for 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to go up and down. Mega knees activate. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands are going to go up. 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the end. That's the combo for the tutorial. Really easy. Let's run it from the beginning. One more time. So we had bouncing down, hands are at the back. We have 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands up. 5, 6, 7, 8 to the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. We go down. 6, 7, 8. We're going down. 2, 3, 4 to go right, left to go in, out. 2, 3, 4 to step left, right to go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look over. 5, 6, 7, 8 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands up. 5, 6, 7, 8. So that was everything. If you want to see it on music, hit the first link in the description below. Add the video in time with music for you to try it. Add separate because, you know, I want that green dollar sign. I want that monetization. So tap into the real one and dance with me. And I can't wait to see you guys rock it all around the world. Thank you so much for tuning in. And until next time.